Hello, good evening students. Today we are going to discuss the exercise part 9.1, chapter menstruation. First question, the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. That is here given the surface of the table is a trapezium and its parallel sides are given 1 meter and 1.2 meter, and the distance between these two parallel sides is 0.8 meter. Then find its area. Area of the trapezium equal to half into A plus B into H. Here given A equal to 1.2 meter, B equal to 1 meter and the distance, and H equal to 0.8 meter. Therefore, the area of the trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into H. Here, half into A is 1.2 plus B is 1 into H 0.8. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 1.2 plus 1, that is 2.2 into 0.8. That's equal to 2.2 divided by 2, that is 1.1. That is equal to 1.1 into 0.8. That's equal to 0.88 meter square. Here we have to find out the area. Therefore, the unit is meter square. Therefore, the area of the trapezium is 0.88 meter square. Second question. The area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square and length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Here, the given trapezium has area 34 centimeter square and the length of the one parallel side is given, it is 10 centimeter. Then the distance between the two parallel sides is also given, that is the height of the trapezium is 4 centimeter. We have to find out the other parallel side. Let us consider the other parallel side is B. Here given A equal to the parallel side, one parallel side is given A equal to 10 centimeter and height H equal to 4 centimeter. We know that area of the trapezium is also given, that is area of the trapezium is also given equal to 34 centimeter square. By the definition, how can we find out the other parallel side? We know that area is equal to, area of the trapezium equal to half into A plus B into H. Here A and B are parallel sides. That implies here area is given, that is 34 centimeter square. Therefore, 34 equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. That implies 34 equal to 1 by 2 into A is 10 centimeter plus B is the other parallel side. It is unknown. Here we have to find out the parallel side B. That is B itself. B into H is 4 centimeter. Then 2 2s are 4, which will be cancelled. That implies 34 is equal to 2 into 10 plus B. That implies 34 divided by 2 equal to 10 plus b, that is equal to 34 divided by 2, that is 17 equal to 10 plus b. Therefore, b equal to 17 minus 10 equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the other parallel side is 7 centimeter. Third question, length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC equal to 48 meter, CD equal to 17 meter and AD equal to 40 meter, find the area of this field, and side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. Here, the trapezium shaped field ABCD has 120 meter perimeter and the three sides are given. Side BC equal to 48 meter, AD equal to 40 meter and CD equal to 17 meter. Then here we have to find out the side AB, and also this AB is a perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. Here given perimeter of trapezium ABCD equal to 120 meter. We know that perimeter of the trapezium, how can find out? Here we have to find out the total length of this trapezium. That is, here we have to add all these sides. Therefore, perimeter of trapezium ABCD equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. That is equal to, here AB is not given, therefore AB plus BC is 48 meter plus CD is 17 meter plus AD is 40 meter. And also here given the perimeter of the trapezium ABCD is 120 meter. Therefore, AB equal to 120 minus 48 plus 40, 88, 88 plus 17, 105. Therefore, 120 minus 105, here AB is equal to 15 meter. That is, height is, here AB is what? It is the perpendicular distance between the parallel side. That means it is a height. Therefore, that is height H is equal to 15 meter. Next, we have to find out the area of this trapezium field. Therefore, area of the trapezium shaped field ABCD. Therefore, area of the trapezium ABCD equal to half into A plus B into H. That's equal to half into A is 48 meter and B is 40 meter. That is the parallel sides 48 plus 40. Here A and B are the parallel sides of the trapezium. Here the given value A equal to 48 meter and B equal to 40 meter into the height is 15. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 48 plus 40. That is 88 into 15. 1 by 2 into 88 into 50. That is 88 divided by 2 is equal to 44. Therefore, 44 into 15. 5 4s are 20, then 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 144, 144. That is 0, 6, 6. That is equal to 660 meter square. Fourth question. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. That is, here a quadrilateral shaped field is given. The diagonal of this quadrilateral figure is 24 meter. One diagonal is given, it is 24 meter. The remaining opposite vertices, that is A, B, C, D, quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Here the remaining vertices B and D, that is it makes a perpendicular on the diagonals. It is 8 meter and 13 meter. Then find the area of this field. We know that area of the quadrilateral field, that is area of the quadrilateral, equal to what? It is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Here diagonal is given. Here D equal to 24 meter and the perpendicular distance on this diagonal 13 meter and 18 meter. That is here H1 equal to 13 meter and H2 equal to 8 meter. Therefore, the area of the quadrilateral equal to half into D is 24 into H1 plus H2, that is 13 plus 8. That is equal to 24 divided by 2, that is 12. That is equal to 12 into 21. That is equal to 252 meter square. Therefore, the area of the quadrilateral is 252 meter square. Next, fifth question. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Area of the rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2. Here D1 equal to 7.5 centimeter and D2 equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, area of the rhombus equal to half into 7.5 into 12. Then 6 2s are 12. That is 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. That implies 7.5 into 6. That is equal to 7.5 into 6. 6 5s are 30, remaining 3. 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 3, 45. That is 45 centimeter square. Sixth question. Find the area of the rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. We know that the rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal and the opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, it will be also equal to parallelogram. That is, the area of the rhombus is also equal to the area of the parallelogram. First, here we have to find out the area of this parallelogram. Rhombus is also a parallelogram. Therefore, here we have to find out the area of the parallelogram A, B, C, D. That is equal to base into height. Here, rhombus, all sides are 5 centimeter. That is, in the case of a parallelogram, the base is 5 centimeter. That is, it is equal to area of the parallelogram equal to base into area of the parallelogram ABCD equal to base into height. Here, rhombus has 4 equal sides. These sides are 5 centimeter. Therefore, here in the case of parallelogram ABCD, base is 5 centimeter. That is 5 into height is 4.8 centimeter. Therefore, area of the parallelogram ABCD equal to 5 into 4.8. That is 4.8 into 5 equal to 8 5s are 40. Then remaining 4. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Therefore, area is equal to 24 centimeter square. Since rhombus is a parallelogram, therefore the area of the rhombus is also equal to area of the parallelogram. Since rhombus is a parallelogram, therefore area of rhombus equal to area of parallelogram. That is, we know that area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. Area of rhombus equal to half into d1 into d2. Here d1 is given 8 centimeter. We have to find out the other diagonals. Area of the rhombus is also equal to area of the parallelogram. Here the parallelogram area is 24 centimeter square. Therefore the area of the rhombus is also 24. That is equal to half into d1 is given, it is equal to 8 into d2. That is 8 d2 equal to 48. Therefore d2 equal to 48 by 8, that is equal to 6. Therefore the other diagonal is 6 centimeter.